The Lixada Telescopic Fishing Rod Combo is an all-inclusive fishing solution tailored to meet the needs of both novice and seasoned anglers. Here's a more comprehensive overview of its features. 1. Telescopic Fishing Rod. The telescopic design allows for easy extension and retraction, making it highly portable and convenient for travel. Constructed from durable and lightweight materials, ensuring both strength and flexibility during fishing sessions. Available in various lengths and power ratings to accommodate different fishing styles and preferences too. Spinning reel. The spinning reel included in the combo is engineered for smooth casting and retrieval, enhancing overall fishing performance. Equipped with high-quality bearings and gears to provide reliable operation under various fishing conditions. Features a comfortable and ergonomic handle for extended fishing sessions without discomfort. 3. Complete accessory kit. The combo comes with a comprehensive assortment of accessories, including 100 meters of fishing line, provides sufficient length for multiple fishing outings and is suitable for various fish species. Lures, a selection of artificial baits designed to attract different types of fish, enhancing the chances of a successful catch. Hooks, high-quality hooks in assorted sizes to accommodate different bait types and fishing techniques. Jig heads, designed for jigging applications. These weighted heads add versatility to your fishing arsenal. 4. Versatility and ease of use, suitable for freshwater and light saltwater fishing, making it versatile for a wide range of fishing environments. Ideal for targeting various fish species, including bass, trout, panfish, and more. The comprehensive kit eliminates the need for anglers to purchase additional gear separately, offering convenience and cost savings. 5. Quality and durability. Lixada products are known for their quality and durability, ensuring long-term performance and reliability. Designed to withstand the rigors of frequent fishing outings, providing anglers with peace of mind. In summary, the Lixada Telescopic Fishing Rod Combo is a complete fishing package that combines convenience, performance, and affordability. Whether you're a beginner looking to get started or an experienced angler seeking a reliable backup setup, this combo offers everything you need to hit the water and reel in some memorable catches.